So I'm going to show you the snow quality that's falling right now in Vancouver, which is something we aren't privy to every single winter. There are many, many winters where we don't get to see snow like this. Now, it did happen last year, but it does not happen every year. And I'll show you what I mean. It is very cold right now, and I'll try and make a snowball with my glove. No way. Just soft, fluffy powder. That's the snow conditions for you. This is what I would consider real Canadian snow. And there's a lot of it coming to Vancouver, BC overnight and into tomorrow. Snow rate's beginning to pick up here in Vancouver PNE area. I'm just above Highway 1 in Vancouver. The roads are only going to get worse from here. I wouldn't consider this too bad for my own personal driving ability in the winter in the snow, but yeah, this is only going to get worse. This is as good as the road's going to look for the next 24 hours in Vancouver, BC. This is Highway 1. This is the main highway through the city. Good luck tomorrow, everyone. You are going to need it in the morning. It is going to be an absolute nightmare for every single one of you who has to drive in it. You are not going to have a good day tomorrow in terms of your commute. It is going to suck.